Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Jackie and I'm here to help you pass your U.S. naturalization interview. Today, I will go over an N-400 interview. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, I'm Officer Smith and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. How's your day going so far?
Fine, thank you. How about you, officer?
Thanks for asking. I'm doing great. Before we start, I need to put you under oath. Please remain standing and raise your right hand.
Sure.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the statements you are about to make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Great. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
And tell me, what did you just promise?
I promised not to lie.
Good. And do you know why you're here?
I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Good. Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I would love to vote and have a better life for my kids.
Great answer. Can I see your appointment notice?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. May I also see your permanent resident card, also known as your green card, your passport, and your state-issued identification? Thank you.
My passport is expired. Is that okay?
That's not an issue. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you confirm your current legal name for me, please?
Yes, it's Jin Woo Park.
Okay. And is Jean your first name and Woo your middle name?
No, Jin Woo is my first name. I don't have a middle name.
Okay. Have you used any other names?
My coworkers call me Jimmy.
Okay. And with your citizenship, you are entitled to change your name legally at no cost. Do you wish to change your name today?
No, thank you. I would like to keep my current legal name.
Okay. What is your birthday?
October 3rd, 1985.
Okay. And where were you born?
Seoul, South Korea.
Okay. And can you please show me your birth certificate?
Sure. Here's a birth certificate in Korean and a notarized copy in English.
Okay. Thank you. As part of our interview, you have to pass the American Government and History exam and the English language proficiency. This includes reading, writing, speaking, and understanding of English. We're going to start with the civics test first. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't have any questions.
All right, let's start. First question. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military?
The President.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s.
World War I.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Crow.
What is the form of government of the United States?
Republic.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendment.
Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one.
One of the writers of the Federalist Papers.
Why did the United States enter World War I?
To support the Allied powers.
There were 13 original states. Name 5.
New York, New Jersey, New Hampshire, North Carolina, South Carolina.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
All right. Excellent. You've answered all of the questions correctly. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, now we're going to move on to the reading and writing exam. This will all be done on a tablet in front of you. All right, so we're going to start with the reading portion. Please read this sentence out loud for me.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
Very good. Now I want you to write this sentence down using a stylus pen.
Sure.
All right, do you need any help with the stylus pen?
No, thank you. I'm familiar with it.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. American Indians lived in the United States before the Europeans arrived.
Okay. Can you repeat it one more time for me, please?
Sure. American Indians lived in the United States before the Europeans arrived.
Okay.
Okay, let me take a look. All right, perfect. So you've passed the English reading and writing test. Now let's review your application. Do you have a Social Security number?
I do.
Okay, and may I please see that card?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Okay. Just as a reminder, you don't have to worry about going to the Social Security office after you're naturalized anymore. It will be updated automatically.
I see. Okay, great.
How long have you been a permanent resident?
About 8 years.
Okay. And what is your current citizenship?
South Korea.
Thank you. What's the best number in case we need to reach you?
My cell is 650-225-1416.
Okay, thank you. And can you please give me your present mailing address?
888 Scenic Drive, Palo Alto, California, 94020.
Okay, thank you. Is this also the same address where you live?
Yes.
Okay. And how long have you lived at your current address?
Since 2016.
Okay. Is it a house or an apartment?
It's a house.
Now let's go over your travel history. How many international trips have you made in the last 5 years?
I've made 3 trips.
Okay. And have you made any new trips after submitting your N-400?
Yes, I made 1 trip.
Okay, and how long was that trip?
About 3 weeks.
Okay. Could you provide me the date you left the U.S.?
March 20th.
Okay. And when did you come back?
April 15th.
And where did you go?
Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, very nice. All right. And what was the purpose of your trip?
Vacation.
How did you like Cancun?
It's very relaxing, but it's a little bit too touristy for me.
Okay. Your application states that one of the 3 trips was over 6 months in Korea. Could you tell me more about that one?
Yes, I have the opportunity to teach digital marketing to high school kids in South Korea.
Okay. Did you maintain any ties to the US during your absence?
What does that mean?
Was your family here? Did you have a job to come back to? Do you have any property here, such as a bank account or a house? Anything that shows that you maintain your residence during your absence?
Yes, I pay my mortgage and all my bills. I kept all my bank accounts active. My boss also kept my job, and I also filed my taxes for that year.
Okay. And could you show me the mortgage statements, tax transcripts, utility bills, and your bank statements during that 6-month period?
Sure.
Also, do you have any document to prove that your boss kept your job?
Yeah, of course. I have all the documents here and also the letter from my boss confirming that he kept my position when I was out. Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Great. All right, now let's talk about your employment. Are you currently working?
Yes, I'm working full-time.
Okay. And can you please give me your employer's name where you're currently working?
Sure, Digital Diagnostics.
Okay. And what's the address of your employer?
542 Pike Street, San Jose, California, 94808.
Thank you. And what do they do?
They sell lab diagnostic equipment to hospitals.
Nice. And what do you do for them?
I'm a senior director in marketing.
How long have you been with the company?
About 5 years.
Do you receive any type of public assistance?
No, I don't.
Okay. How many times have you been married?
Once only.
Okay. And what is your current marital status?
Divorced.
Okay. Do you have any children?
I have one son,
What's your child's name?
Ming Park.
Okay. And how old is your son?
He's 5.
Does your child live with you?
He lives with his mom in South Korea.
Okay. Do you provide child support or pay alimony?
Yes, I provide child support and pay alimony to my ex-wife.
Okay. And did you bring any supporting documents for that?
Of course, I brought all the documents. Here they are.
Great. Thank you. Okay. And you said that one of your parents is a U.S. citizen.
My mom is.
And when did she become an American citizen?
She became a US citizen last year, and she was so happy about her experience and asked me to apply also.
Okay, let's move on to the next section. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Never.
Good. Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
Never. I lived in the US, so I cannot claim myself a non-resident on any tax returns.
Great. And do you currently owe any overdue taxes?
No, I always file my taxes and pay them on time.
Very good. Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
Never.
Good. Have you ever advocated any of the following or been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the following: the overthrow by force or violence or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States or all forms of law.
Never.
Opposition to all organized government.
Never.
World communism.
Never.
The establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship.
Never.
The unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of their official character.
Never.
The unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property.
Never.
Sabotage.
Never.
Do you believe in religious freedom?
Yes.
Good. And what does that mean?
It means you can practice any religion or not practice a religion.
Very good. Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped, or otherwise participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent or was unable to consent or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
Never.
Good. Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
Yes, I had mandatory military training in South Korea when I was 18.
Okay. And how long was the service?
About a year and a half.
Okay. And is that the only time you received weapons training?
Yes, that's the only time.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No, I only have some traffic tickets.
Okay. Did any of the traffic tickets involve a DUI, lead to an arrest, or severely injure another person?
None. They are just speeding tickets.
Okay. Good. That's not an issue. So no other arrests or other citations, correct?
Correct.
Okay, thank you. Did you ever give false testimony to an immigration officer to gain immigration benefits?
No.
Good. Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, officer.
Good. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
Great. Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No, I don't.
On your application form, you checked yes. So is that a mistake?
I'm so sorry, officer. That is indeed a mistake. Would you be able to fix it for me, please? I really appreciate it.
Sure, that's not a problem. Let me make that change right now. Okay.
Thank you.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
And can you tell me what this question means?
It means during a war, are you willing to use a gun to defend the United States?
Very good. And if the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Good. And if the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I'm willing to.
All right, great. That concludes your interview. Give me a minute and let me update your application. Okay. Please scroll through the application on the tablet and review the changes I've made. If you agree with the changes, sign at the bottom of the page and click Accept. What you're signing also states that everything you have just told me in your N-400 petition is the truth and is correct.
Okay? Everything looks good.
The next section is the oath of allegiance to the United States. By signing, you agree that you understand all of the statements and will take the oath of allegiance to the United States on the date of your naturalization ceremony.
Sure.
So please sign and date right here. Okay, thank you. Let me print out the results for you. All right, this concludes your naturalization interview. Here's a copy of your result. You have passed the civics portion of the exam as well as the English reading and writing requirements. You also show your ability to speak and understand English. I will be recommending your approval for U.S. citizenship.
I passed?
Yes, you did. Congratulations.
Thank you. Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What does a decision cannot yet be made about your application mean on this form?
Well, I need to submit my recommendation to my supervisor, and he will make the final decision. But don't worry, this is just a routine step. You'll get your approval notification shortly.
I see. Okay, great.
And when USCIS accepts my recommendation, you will then receive a notice in the mail about the date, time, and location of the oath ceremony. Please bring the oath ceremony letter to the swear-in ceremony and make sure to also bring your green card. If you do not attend the ceremony, you will not become a naturalized citizen. Do you have any other questions?
I have a trip coming up. If the oath ceremony is during the time when I was outside of the country, can I reschedule it?
Yes, you can. Once you receive the letter, call USCIS right away to reschedule.
Okay, good to know. Thank you. I don't have any more questions.
Excellent. I'll bring you back to the waiting area.
Thank you again.